Malik at the Anta Michaelan Conver Media Center. Chakamwang Kateka Dinita Batich, Kayut and Jaka Oman one Kanjinbare Wigin and Len Batanian Kapola and Batanian Windigo. Taka Kusan Mugo Rabatike. Can't can take go to the shoot kill that can we do call and book and then be winning.
I'm telling you, my guy was sitting.
Long convention. Men go to one in a bati, a Mugo community. You feel free, we like building a tongue, feel free the language you go, you can mix both the language. A Mugo did it a community. Like
community, I really think I'm not the person I am without my community. Go America when the TV Europe when they and you know it's not just a tribe, it's like a culture, it's a way of life. We're people that have a really rich history and we're like rich people, so it's very important that you know that. And if anything, growing up here in America, this is the most important time that I do know. Like, well, in Portland, so like everybody who's there, it's actually we're like family, and like it should be like that. When I come to Omaha, I see the community, I see the potential that like we can really all come together. We're a society and we can function.
Community is good, I just really want to say, for a sense of belonging as a family. It's also your identity. So community is very important, so people don't get lost, especially in the diaspora, especially the young generation. The community that is functioning, then they will know where they came from, they can trace those ancestors. Your identity is very critical. So the community provides that identity in the sense of belonging. That's what I think we need a community.
Can community, I would use the content and say that God is God. That is God. Come with the community now. Can parent do they block you? God, down the road and then eventually the one of the parent, but you go and they you can be a role model in the community. What can you?
I have a question. So now what are talk on God. So yeah, but touching about the level of a so talk on another cake. Cinema right away. So we should get to one which could take a day to one which very long. They say a really good facts about like Chiang's their con. So that's a community over there and Congan recorded that one when you talk about we like a name about okay, made an midnight. Then I picked them like again about and then so now they talk which is Chiang, which is Yaguru, and they like it.
Second thing, when you're there, community now look at this. I know it's fight on the thing at the moment. I come to our God. Nigeria, they're not educated, then they get parents. But they should try to understand what is the process of getting a degree. What are the challenges that kid faces in high school, college? What kind of support do they need? They might not be able to help with homework and stuff, and they might not know how to fill out a college application, but what kind of support system does the child need to get this curriculum done? Can they take care of the child bill while they focus on homework and all these things? These things the community can do. The community can also provide scholarships for the kids who do well to create motivation for the other kids who do well. I think that's.
I won't bring it in.
To me, like I'll tell a story. So it was important. But in the when I was in like 8th grade or 7th grade, our small rural community decided that they're going to have a rural school. Do a lot of them every Saturday at our local church. And to me, like, when I came here, obviously I didn't want to, but then, because I'm going to school 5 days a week, 8 hours a day, like, I don't understand how you think I can actually keep my word. Like, I only have one brain. And I really appreciate the community for taking that time during, like, it's critical to me, because I was growing up and nobody else, like, the community wasn't taking the time to do that. When they did that, it brought me back. Like, they don't like, go, don't worry, they don't go, they did point, you know what I mean? And it wasn't just the schooling, but it was like a feeling I felt like I belonged.
Correct in Ken, to God face and the community. To don't be that rest. And the quarter of the election of the economy, you quarter of the couldn't go in the Lakay, in Monkey, Jim Chapia Point can use the cocaine, Ricky can
I think that the worst part of it is like she got taken off the work order. Parents, they lack of supporting kids. They say that not okay basketball. Or they see money, they'll go to they lack of that. So with that being said, if parents do that, look, me got no longer about support, but they're like, okay, I'm making that up. So no more. It's like it's gonna push you to do more. It's like, could they you know that your parents they have a knowledge of you can do that support. So I think parents should work with that, supporting more so and then you can do it yourself too.
The challenge is to get God that are going through this. There's a like I said, identity earlier, knowing who you are really matters. And the kids are so vulnerable, especially the refugee and kids, are so vulnerable to joining the gangs and the streets. This is because there's no structure at home. Something is missing at home for these kids to stay out till 4 a.m. and they're only in high school and no one's giving them a check and no one's taking care of their needs. This is an issue that if the new leadership could sit down and discuss how do we change this thing. I understand the parents work, they just 8 hours a day. Sometimes they're sleeping, the kids are school and they work at night, all these things happen. But they still, that way a community as well has to go together. Every parent works. And that is the case. The kids are so vulnerable to the street, especially newer kids. I've seen the statistic at Omaha police station. It's not a joke. And we had an incident this weekend with one. We all know how did this happen? The Sudanese parents need to realize the way they grew up is not the same way these kids are growing up. There are new challenges for every generation, and they need to find out what's going on in the kids' lives. They need to sit down.
I would just like we as a rural community, we need to like recognize that we're not in we're different now, but America is literally different. All waves of immigrants come here. So why can't we understand that not just that we're literally in a different situation, but that we have to tap into this and we have to really get our parents not just involved, but if our parents don't know how to read and write, how can you expect them to come and teach you to read and write if they don't? That's perfectly fine. But involvement, I work for an NGO in Maine, an education reform group, where I really get to see the opportunities that the schools do provide. The schools do understand that you guys are immigrants. They understand that you come from a different culture. They understand that these issues are important. But our parents have to show up. These resources are there.
I played in high school basketball. I wasn't very good, but the rest of my guys were. We were newer 6 guys on one team, and we made the newspaper and everything else. But we never had a parent come. Even the senior night people were supposed to walk with their parents and stuff. Some of us had to walk with our coaches. That part for the parents is a lack of understanding of how important sports really are and how far they can actually take you. A lot of parents don't understand that. Maybe now they're beginning to realize because there's scholarships to sports. The kids can go to college for free. And I think the second thing to that is they are busy.
The structure.
The structure and they are
Mula
busy.
go go makan parent ni show up ga. Mula sharp.
Here we go, so you feel like, okay, it's not a big deal, so that's why they're not here.
There's a discouragement that there will happen. The child will get discouraged. If the child does something good, there is a need for the parent to recognize that, to applaud that child. That way they step up. They need a pat on the shoulder for doing a good job. These things, especially the kids who grew up here, came here 2, 4 years old, and those who are born here, they need them. You know, I know traditionally, it's
culture,
not really culture. And the child is working to impress their parents. And if they're doing good and no parents recognize, it's going to discourage them.
It's very important when can escape only doing gore after school. Their parents straight to the camp.
I would just add, I wouldn't even say our parents, but this would go back to our community. I think it's very important that we learn the economic system in America. So the reason our parents are working the way they are is because they want to support us, of course. But the reality is there's a structure here that is literally built for you to work, and then do. And like, what were you even working for? And in reality, we do come from a different culture, but I think we as a community need to take the time to learn this system, and so that we can help each other like move forward. We're no longer in South Sudan. Like,
I think it's not so much of the blame towards the parents, but if there are cultural limits that are hurting us in the new culture, we must learn to adapt. All of us, especially the parents, need to adapt while they're still here, while they save these kids. And most of them need to adapt. Not forget your culture, but adapt. And the second thing is, we're poor refugees, we came here as poor, but this country actually provided a chance to break the cycle of poverty. You have to break the chains of poverty somehow. And with this generation coming up, they have a chance to do that. And the parents need to tap into it.
Okay, they literally said everything, but yeah, I think not only our parents, even us too as a kid, they're understanding. That's what we all need, because like, of course, our parents, they don't understand the reason why we do it, or that they should not work a lot, that they should attend like our support or whatever that we need to do. But it's just both of us, like kids and parents, we should get to understanding with each other, and then everything will come together. Because it is a different culture here. Because OPPs get 2 different cultures. It really is. Like, okay, let's say Chile, we understand it here, but Chiamarako, we can so to come together is something that we both, it's a both way that kids pick a market Chiamaraki, and then so in order to make the community work hard.
Situation in garden culture dangrau tinjaka ben pitredi en goro jang lenga gad nyor ken lenga melat ken lenga culture chicken boten ko woni ne bu gat jang ci ande dole ko jang ci ande dole gore woni ne bu gat bi nyor jaltin dial tin gor ken go bagale wor dol goro kan meeting nek wor gwangar kan dial goro woten ko wonno ajen bi ci andan bu gar kon go lu ñew pala ci ango lat ko no gar ko ci je lan na dem man dan tin wo mi ta do lat ka gadu ben ko ci do me dan be ji ci bu ke no mo ci ga zaman ne jalla bondo annabi ya ta kamal anta ba kula no mi thank you